Welcome back to Simple Mindspace, the podcast where we explore the exciting world of personal finance, financial freedom, and the millionaire mindset. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating strategy of MicroStrategy, a company that's making waves in the world of Bitcoin. You might have heard about MicroStrategy's bold move to purchase Bitcoin using funds raised from issuing corporate bonds. It might sound risky at first glance, but there's a brilliant strategy at play here, orchestrated by their CEO, Michael Saylor. Imagine this. MicroStrategy recently announced plans to raise another $500 million by selling bonds. These bonds are set to mature in 2032, giving them a comfortable 8-year window, aligning with 2 Bitcoin cycles. While they haven't disclosed the exact interest rate yet, a similar bond issuance in March 2024 carried an incredibly low rate of 0.875% per year, practically free money. Now, you might wonder why investors are so eager to buy these bonds with such low returns, especially when government bonds offer a more attractive 5% annual interest. Here's the catch. Investors aren't primarily interested in the interest payments. They're eyeing a much bigger prize, the opportunity to convert these bonds into MicroStrategy stock. Let me explain. Since MicroStrategy started acquiring Bitcoin back in August 2020, their stock price has skyrocketed. We're talking about a surge of over 1,000%. This year alone, the stock has jumped by an impressive 142%, and over the past year, it's up by a staggering 436%. These impressive gains are what investors are really after. By holding these convertible bonds, they have a golden ticket to jump on the MicroStrategy rocket ship if the stock continues to soar. If the stock doesn't meet their expectations, they can simply choose to redeem their bonds at maturity and get their initial investment back. It's a win-win situation for them. So where does MicroStrategy benefit in all of this? By issuing these low-interest bonds, they are essentially securing a cheap source of funding to fuel their Bitcoin purchases. As their stock price climbs, fueled by their Bitcoin holdings, they can even issue more stock to raise additional capital, further reducing their reliance on traditional funding sources. It's a brilliant, albeit unconventional strategy. Think about it. MicroStrategy is essentially printing their own money by issuing stock, which they then use to acquire an asset they believe is the future of finance. Talk about playing the long game. However, like any high-stakes game, there are risks involved. The biggest risk, of course, is the volatile nature of Bitcoin itself. If Bitcoin were to crash, MicroStrategy's stock price would plummet, potentially leading to significant losses for both the company and its investors. Despite the risks, MicroStrategy's bold approach has caught the attention of many analysts and investors. Bernstein, a prominent brokerage firm, recently initiated coverage of MicroStrategy with an outperform rating and a price target of $2,890. That's nearly double the current stock price. Their optimism stems from MicroStrategy's unique position as the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, a position that gives them significant leverage in the crypto market. Bernstein's analysis suggests that Bitcoin's price could reach $200,000 by 2025 and even hit $1 million by 2033, driven by increasing institutional adoption and limited supply. This bullish outlook, coupled with MicroStrategy's strategic use of convertible debt, has convinced Bernstein that the company has the potential to reap massive rewards from its Bitcoin bet. They believe that MicroStrategy has ample time to capitalize on Bitcoin's potential upside while effectively managing the risk of liquidation. Now, you might be thinking, this is all great for MicroStrategy and their investors, but what does it mean for me? Well, the takeaway here is the importance of understanding and identifying unconventional investment strategies. MicroStrategy's approach highlights the power of thinking outside the box and leveraging financial instruments to capitalize on emerging trends. While investing in Bitcoin directly might seem daunting, understanding the strategies of companies like MicroStrategy can offer valuable insights into navigating the ever-evolving landscape of finance. And remember, this is not just about Bitcoin. The principles behind MicroStrategy's approach, innovation, strategic risk-taking, and long-term vision can be applied to various investment opportunities. That's all for today's episode of Simple Mindspace. If you found this deep dive into MicroStrategy's fascinating strategy insightful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging discussions on personal finance, financial freedom, and the millionaire mindset. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of your financial journey.